All right, there you go. All right, you're going to tell people. Say, I'm making Irish potatoes.
I'm making Irish potatoes.
You want to tell them what we put in it?
Yeah.
Say, we got butter. I'm going to do
Butter.
Say cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar.
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
And what else did we put?
Sugar.
Oh, coconut.
Coconut.
And is it hard to turn it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say, we're going to roll them up in balls, right? And then roll them in the cinnamon.
It will be cinnamon.
Yeah, and we've got to put them in the refrigerator to cool them so that it don't melt in our hands, right?
Right.
Do they taste good?
Yeah, it tastes good.
Do you like coconut?
Yeah.
Say, should everybody make Irish potatoes?
Yeah.
So why do you make Irish potatoes, Luca?
Why it be good?
Because they're good?
Uh-huh.
Do you like to share them with your friends?
Yeah.
Are you going to take them to school?
Yeah.
Are your friends going to roll them in the cinnamon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I roll in cinnamon too.
We're going to do a couple tonight, and we're going to roll them in cinnamon, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh, boy. Say, he's just a stirring and a stirring.
Yeah.
So, you want to come back when we finished rolling? Oh,
Yeah.
Look at that, standing right up.
Yeah.
And we'll come back and show them how nice they are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Samantha says, hello, Luca.
Hello, Luca.
Say, hello, Samantha.
Hello, Marcella.
Say, I like to cook.
I like to cook.
Say, I washed my hands
I wash my hands.
10 times.
Oh, I need to wash my hands again.
You need to wash them again? Did you get candy on them?
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll get them clean again, as long as it's just candy on there.
Just
Okay, say bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye. What's that?
You know what? Mama forgot to put the light on. There, big smile.
Cheese.
Yeah, he knows all the good recipes. We'll show you the end product when we're done. But he's got some mixing to do. And this is the special way to mix them. Is that the special way?
I need to see them.
You need to see what?
I need to see the boy.
You want to see the people?
No, see kids.
Oh, you want to see the kids?
I need to see.
Okay. Oh, you're sneaking a bite. Okay, time to wash your hands again.
Oh, okay.
All right. Stop mixing.
Okay.
Okay. All right, say see you later. Wave. Say we'll talk to you later. Okay, no more mixing. You got to wash your hands now when you touch your mouth. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.